France has just taken a stand that's shaking the global politics right now. Their president, Emmanuel Macron, has announced that France will officially recognize the State of Palestine. And not years from now, but this September during the United Nations General Assembly. Well, this makes France the most powerful Western countries so far to support Palestinian statehood. And it's not just a symbolic gesture, it is a political earthquake in the middle of a war going. But the question is, why now? Well, the decision comes at a time when global anger is boiling over Israel's action in Gaza. Thousands of civilians have died, millions have been displaced, and many nations say that enough is enough. Macron's move comes just before a major UN summit being planned by France and Saudi Arabia, where leaders hope to push for a two-state solution, meaning a safe and secure Israel and a free and independent Palestine living side by side. But Hamas and Palestinian authorities have welcomed the decision, calling it a long overdue act of justice. For them, this is not just about international recognition. It is hope. It is about finally being seen as a people who deserve their own country, their own government, their own rights. But yes, of course, not everybody is celebrating. Israel is very angry. Officials in Tel Aviv have condemned France's decision, saying that it rewards terrorism, specifically after October 7 attack by Hamas that killed Israeli civilians. They argue that recognizing Palestine right now, while Hamas still has the power in Gaza, sends the wrong message. Another question, why does this matter so much? Because for decades, the idea of Palestinian state has been stuck in diplomatic limbo. The UN recognizes it, and over 140 countries around the globe already do too, including much of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. But Western powers like the US, the UK, and France, they have always done that, saying that recognition must come after peace talk. Now, France is breaking that tradition, saying that we have waited too long, the peace process is broken, the violence must stop, and recognizing Palestine is the first step towards something much better. Now, this particular move also puts pressure on other Western nations as well. Will Germany follow? Will Canada? Will the United States finally recognize its position? Well, these are the questions being asked in every major political office right now. Now, the bigger picture is that France is not just recognizing Palestine, it is changing the entire conversation. And in the middle of all of the bombs, blockages, and bitter politics, it may just be the bold push the world just needed to restart the path to peace.